Welcome to University Park in Boca Raton, a student accommodation that elevates your college experience with unparalleled luxury and accessibility. These 1 to 4 bedroom apartments offer you spacious walk-in closets, a 50-inch smart TV, cosy breakfast nook, and a kitchen equipped with all your essentials. There's also a washer and dryer to skip those time-consuming laundromat runs. Get in a good workout in the power-packed gym, then head to the study lounge to power through projects. When you're done, recharge with a dip in the resort-style pool, enjoy a movie in the movie room, or unwind in the outdoor bar area. Whether it's water or blazing fast Wi-Fi, your rent covers it all. Here's another reason why this location is perfect for you. With Florida Atlantic University and Everglades University just minutes away, plus the Northwest 20th Street bus stop and Brightline Boca Raton station nearby, reaching class and exploring the city is seamless and speedy. So hurry and snag your stay at University Park in Boca Raton via amberstudent.com now.